In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Google Calendar with Claude AI. By the end, you'll have your calendar connected so Claude can reference your schedule when you need it. First, open your Claude account and sign in so you're on the main dashboard. You'll start by heading to your profile. Look for your profile photo or initial, usually in the top right corner of the screen, and click it to open the profile menu. From there, choose Settings. This is where Claude groups all of your preferences and integrations. Inside Settings, find the section labeled Connectors. Connectors are the secure integrations that let Claude work with tools you already use, like calendars and document apps, without you having to copy and paste information. Click Connectors to open the integrations page. Next, click Browse Connectors. This opens the full catalog of services you can connect. You'll see a search bar at the top. Click into the search bar, type Google Calendar, and wait for the Google Calendar connector to appear in the results. Click the Google Calendar option to open its connector page. On the connector page, click Connect. This will launch a secure prompt asking you to sign in with your Google account and authorize the connection. Follow the prompts on your screen. You'll typically be asked to confirm which Google account you want to use and to grant permission for Claude to view and manage your calendar events. Read the permission descriptions so you understand what access you are allowing, then confirm to continue. If you use multiple Google accounts, make sure you select the one that holds the calendar you want Claude to reference. If you don't see a prompt, your browser may be blocking pop-ups. Allowing the prompt to appear will help you continue. After you approve access, you'll be returned to Claude and should see Google Calendar listed among your connected services. That's your confirmation that the sync is in place. From now on, when you ask Claude about your schedule or request help planning around your availability, it can securely reference your Google Calendar to provide more accurate, context-aware assistance. If your organization has specific data policies, take a moment to review what information the connector can access in the details shown on the connector page. That's it. You opened your Claude account, went to your profile and settings, navigated to connectors, browsed connectors, searched for Google Calendar, selected it, clicked Connect, and followed the on-screen prompts. Your Google Calendar is now synced with Claude AI, and you're ready to use it in your everyday workflow.